Hi, this is Miss McComb from HP English 10 and English 11. I usually read mystery and suspense books when reading for fun, but this time I decided to try something new and I was happily surprised. If you are looking for a laugh-out-loud, cringeworthy romantic comedy, look no further than Sharon Crumb's The Thing About Jane Spring. It combines all of my favorites, knowing how people think. It's a funny story, laugh out loud, and it kind of is cringeworthy as well. Our protagonist is Jane Spring. She's an army brat raised by her father and the youngest sibling to two older brothers. She's a very no-nonsense, assertive, say it the way it is, Manhattan attorney. And Jane has been known to make old ladies cry on the stand, angering the jury. And despite her rising star at the DA's office, Jane wants a family and children. But when she overhears two male colleagues talking about her in an unflattering way, she realizes she needs to change if she wants to change her life. So with no family or female friends to assist her, she's lost as to how she should reinvent herself. But opportunity strikes when a blizzard happens and Jane is inside watching a Doris Day movie marathon. After watching the movies, Jane decides to change her entire persona, her body language, her hair, her makeup, her wardrobe, and even her home decor. Nothing is off limits for Jane. She rifles through her grandmother's clothes, putting together outfits from the 50s and 60s that will knock the socks off of anyone. Jane's mantra is, "He who dares wins." The question is, will her new persona work against her at trial? She is trying a woman accused of murdering her husband. The person who's not buying her act is Chip Bancroft, a man from Jane's past who knows her very well. And the question is, will she be able to maintain her new manners? At one point, she tells Chip, "I already know everything I need to know about you." And frankly, that's nothing to celebrate. So will Jane meet the man of her dreams? Will she have enough outfits? Will her handbag match her heels? And will she be able to be polite? Find out for yourself. The book is The Thing About Jane Spring by Sharon Crumb, and I guarantee you'll laugh out loud.